Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to remove content warning on X Twitter. If you're browsing on Twitter and some posts are hidden behind a content warning, it can get annoying if you want to see everything without restrictions. By default, X hides sensitive content such as graphic or adult material, but you can remove these warnings from your account settings. Once adjusted, you'll be able to view all media directly without extra clicks or blurred previews. First, open the X application on your mobile device. Now, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. Here, tap on Settings and Support. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to control how your account works. Inside the menu, tap on Privacy and Safety. Next, tap on Content You See. This option controls what type of media and posts will appear on your feed. Now, tap on Sensitive Media. Here, you will see different categories. First, tap on Graphic Violence and select Show All. This means posts with graphic images or videos will appear directly without a warning. Then, go back and tap on Adult Content and select Show All. Now, posts with adult material will also load without restrictions. After that, go back and tap on Other and select Show All. This will cover all remaining sensitive categories that may be hidden. Once you have made these changes, go back to your feed, and you can see the content warning is removed. Every type of photo or video will show up immediately without being blurred or blocked by a caution message. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.